Hi, I'm Athelas, and I'm a software engineer here at Athelas, and I'm very passionate about applied AI in healthcare. So I was one of the main engineers on this product. Now let me walk you all through a quick demo of this feature. So I'm going to start off by just prepping my next visit and getting a summary of their previous appointments. I'm just going to go ahead and copy paste my messages into here to speed things up a little bit, but you can also dictate or type into, which I can showcase later. So right now, Copilot will help us find our next appointment, and then also find their previous visits and summarize some of the stuff that happened in their previous visits. So you can see it found the appointments, found the patients, and also search the patient notes. There we have it. We have a quick response here on what happened in our previous visits. And also note that our next appointment is with Rohit Pathula at 11:30 a.m. Now I can ask Copilot to check in their appointment and navigate to their next chart note. So yeah, that happened very quickly, and it was able to navigate to our next chart note. We don't really have any sections in here, but let me go ahead and import an existing record so that we can just showcase some quick capabilities of Copilot. Yes, as you can see here, we're synced with the appointment, and we can start asking questions about this note. So I'm going to go ahead and ask it to review the ICD-10 codes from this note and suggest any revisions. There we go. We're getting some appropriate codes, some additional recommendations, and also a suggested order on the recommendations, and some explanations for the treatments. Now what we can do is we can also ask it for some reasonable exercises. And we can also have it search the web here. Yes, our Copilot both has its own internal training data and also the ability to search the web for up-to-date information, which is definitely very useful if you're looking for up-to-date guidelines or up-to-date medication recommendations. So here we have some additional exercise recommendations that we can maybe add to the treatment program. There we go. And then lastly, we can just take what's on the note and ask it to write a quick follow-up summary. And then after I get my email, I'll probably go ahead and send it to my patient. So that concludes your demo, and we hope this feature can help you speed up some of your processes in your day-to-day life and some of your day-to-day operations. Thanks for watching.